Hello friends, welcome to the fourth lesson of Mathematics Tricks and Fun. I am Dr Prema B Sejekan. Today we are going to study the multiplication of 9s with numbers having digits in random. In the first example, 776 is multiplied by 999. How to do this quickly? 999 means 1 less than 1000. So first multiply with 1000 and deduct once 776 from the product. By practice, you will be able to deduct 1 from 776 and subtract 776 from 1000 and write the answer as 775224. In the second example, the multiplicand has 5 digits and only 4 9s on the multiply side. In such calculation, if you practice what I have taught you now, you won't make mistakes. Answer here is 198770121. Here in the first example, we have to find the square of 998. We will do this by nikhilam-sutra. That is, multiply vertically and add or subtract crosswise accordingly. Here, first find out the base. Since 998 is near 1000, we will take 1000 as base. Then deduct 998 from 1000 and write 998 minus sign 002. Then, by using nikhilam-sutra, multiply straight and subtract crosswise. The answer here is 996004. In the second example, the base is 100. Here, 96 minus sign 04 is written at the top and 98 minus sign 02 is written below it. Using nikhilam-sutra, the answer is 9408. Here, the multiplicand has 5 digits and multiplier has 3 9s. So, multiply 23456 by 1000 and subtract once 23456 from the total. The answer is 23432,544. In the second example, number multiplicand has 3 digits and 4 9s on the multiplier side. So, multiply 795 by 10,000 and subtract 795 from the total. Slowly, you will be able to know to put 9 in the place of extra 9s and 1 less than the value on the multiplicand side beside 9, and the difference we get by deducting the multiplicand value from the base, that is here 795, base is 1000. On the other side of 9, the answer is 7949205. This compiles all such examples again. 5578 by multiplied by 4 9s. The answer is 55774422. In the same way, 5578 multiplied by 99. The answer is 552222. When 5578 is multiplied by 9, answer is 50202. In the coming classes, we will study squaring of 7 3s, 6 6s, such long numbers, and multiplying 7 6s with 5 6s and similar numbers. Thank you for watching.